feeling about the track and the cool weather out here today?
Everything's good. It's a little breezy. Get another shot out of here this afternoon at about 2:30, so we'll see how things go.
So you just finished running 6:05 today or yesterday?
I went 6:05 yesterday morning, went 6:04 last night, 2:42, and went up this morning and had some water in the belly pan we didn't realize was there, and so tried to do a donut on the starting line, but all was good.
I got a little bit of that, man. That's crazy. So you're looking forward to breaking into the fives, maybe? You think it's possible?
That's
what are your opinions on it?
Yeah, that's what we're here for. We came out here trying to get in the fives and run 250, and you know, see if we can still get that accomplished.
That would be awesome. And can you tell me what Proline engine you're running in here?
It's got a Brodex 5-inch bore block and heads that Proline put together for me, and it's a 620-inch piece on alcohol. Yeah, it's got precision turbos on it. They're 98 millimeters with all their gates and blow-offs on it.
Well, thank you, man. Appreciate it. Good luck tomorrow, man, and thank you for the interview.
No problem.
Gets the victory on a hole shot. Tommy gets the win. Larry Larson had the better routine, 5:95.0, but gave a 300th of a second reaction time, and by 200ths of a second.
Accomplished.
Did you two craps about get that rough light?
No, I was reaching over there for him because I was going through the lights, and I just couldn't get hold of him.
History right here, baby. I tell you what, it was bizarre, and I'm sure that I was going to get more of